option trader, the Alaska option trader. Here we go. Let's get started because we've got a few charts to look at. So if you play this here is the VIX, as you can see, up high. Everybody knows it's up high. Look above it; it's historical highs. I mean, every time it's been usually above this level here, you could expect a turnaround, which is in the 30, 32 range. I mean, very rarely does it stay up. We have a drop. It has exploded with the bank stuff and all the stuff going on. However, if you look at it, it looks like it should be turned around. You've got a dragonfly doji sitting up here. The Bollinger Bands aren't really widening. They've kind of narrowed back right here. I'd say where it was widening, that it was still had ways to go, moving up. It is above its 200. It is above its 50. I don't know. We should be having a turnaround. It's got room. If it pops outside this Bollinger Band, it's going to come back down. If it slides up slowly, then it could keep going. So anyway, I'd be looking for it to turn around. This here is the Dow. So fib line's thrown in. This was line in the sand. Broke down through my line in the sand. It now has had 3 closes below my line in the sand. It's got a hammer here, red hammer. Supposed to be hammering out the bottom. I don't know. I don't think so. It looks like it's sliding. Here's the reversal signal. You can see the MACD and the stock RSI are still going down. Did not look good for a rally. Next, we're going to go to the S&P. And as it opens up, I don't know why my computer's so slow tonight. So here we got your S&P coming down, broke through this my channel that I've been talking about for weeks. How it hit every edge, every time it hit, it was going back, even right here. And I didn't even highlight this one. Back to that middle line, back down. Of course, now it has closed down below there several times. Excuse me, just ate dinner. Again, another big red hammer here. Closing below. It's got support right here. And at 1,086, I call it 1,100 right in that area there. It closes right here at this 1,086. If we go beneath that, we could be in for another pretty good move down. And finally on the indices, we're going to go to the Nasd, which closed beneath the trend line and beneath support. Very bearish. Closing beneath there. It's in that downtrend. It really broke down hard. Should zoom that in even closer. As you can see, last 2 times it hit it, up, hit it, stalled out, and then decided that, hey, we're going through today, so down to the 1950 level. So all the indicators are down. There's nothing that looks like, other than candle signals, which, you know, none of them are guaranteed candle signals without a follow through. So as far as market sentiment, I guess it's going to depend on what people see with this bailout. So anyway, I was going to go ahead and show you a couple of charts I've been looking at this weekend while I'm wasting some time. So here we got just a simple candle signal one. This is GAS, New Core Gas one. Been having a nice little run up here in an uptrend, but what I like here is this, you can call it flag, you can call it the heck do they call that thing? Dark cloud cover, whatever. I just think this thing's gonna break down and come back down to its bottom a little bit. Not a huge move, but enough to play. The option prices aren't too bad, so it would definitely be a playable one. What's the other one here? JPM, JP Morgan Chase. This is probably my favorite chart that I have right now. I only watch about a dozen at a time. I'm not into 30 or 50 or 60 charts. I like to watch just a few, just keep sifting through, watch them, and then play them when they set up. This is one. You got the classic megaphone pattern here. Classic breakdown. This thing is destined to turn around and come down. Look how high the MACD is. We're showing oversold on the stock RSI, and pretty much every time it's oversold, it can hang there for a little bit, but it goes down. So I look at that on stock to see how often they do it and where they go on it. And this one's look at that bearish engulfing candle. I'll probably be playing this one down, and I might jump the trade a little bit. I'm hoping it opens up actually, and or opens and starts going up, and then I'll jump in. That's what I'd like to see. Do I always get what I want? No. What else I got here? The ticker symbol is GAS. I showed you that one already. Got to get my plays in order. LUV, love Southwest Airlines. We love to fly, and it shows. Southwest Airlines. Okay, so this one I just like it because it's following the fibs and broke down an uptrend line. Look at that real skookum. That's an Alaska term. Skookum trend line here. And then hit a fib and a trend line right here. So it should have been a pretty strong support. Should have bounced off of there. Did not. It just dropped like a rock. I mean, like a rock. So now it hit this one. So it probably stall out, and I'd imagine come down here at 1250. Again, not a huge move. Percentage-wise, a good move. Very playable. The option prices are really good, and that's why I like it. I'd probably play November. Sitting on the 200, so I'd wait to see if it breaks that, and that's what I'd be getting all over. Expect it to stall out like it did in the 200, maybe bounce up a little and then drop. Once it breaks beneath that 200, I will be in it. All right, speaking of being in it, here's a couple plays I played this week. I've told you about a couple of these, and I finally jumped them. This is one. SYNA, Synaptics. I did really well. White made over 100% on this play. Hit this fib coming back down here. I was going to wait till it hit this neckline right here on this nice head and shoulders I've been waiting for it to form. But I saw right here at the neckline, just happened to be 200 moving average. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to play this move down. And ended up working really well on the options. Like I said, I made over 100% on the play. I played right here at this candle. Happened to catch, just got lucky and happened to catch this big one here. And it was one day move. Hit here, I'd already put my sell order in and sold me out. I think it'll bounce around here maybe a day, maybe not, maybe a day or two, and then drop back down. And I'm going to get back in going down on this one. So this is one, I'm thinking it's going to go all the way back down to the 20 level somewhere in here. Definitely. Just fill this whole area here and before it stalls out again. So I want to play that 25 to 20. That is a huge percentage move. I really like it. I'm going to be on it again. Made a little bit on it. I'm going to make some more. And finally, another one I jumped into on Friday morning and, instantly had a profit. This is Buffalo Wild Wings, BWLD ticker symbol. Right now it's looking like I might have to get out because it's going to hit this fan line, and I did not expect it to move as fast as it did that day. I got in right about here and just happened to catch all this move down. When I get in, I use smaller charts and just start turning over. I was going to play it to 35 or whatever this is here. What did I put the order in at? 34.20. So that's kind of where my sell order is. When I buy a stock, I put a sell order in, so it'll be right in there. But I might watch it, and if it shows continued weakness, I might hold on to it until it drops down here in the 32.50 range or something like that. Again, I thought it was going to maybe work out here, maybe make a right shoulder. It didn't. Started dropping, so I went ahead and get on in it. Anyway, so those are a few I'm watching. If you notice a pattern, pretty much every one of these plays, not pretty much, every single play I showed you was a put. That ought to tell you what my mindset is right now. I still think this market is going to go down. I was actually expecting a pop. In fact, I wouldn't be shocked if we have a pop on Monday up, but I wouldn't hold my breath. So anyway, my mindset right now is that this market will be going down. Anyway, trade long or trade short and prosper. This is AKOT signing out.